trying to work out where everything is. So it's still saying low tyre pressure at the moment.
Yeah. I think there's a button to reset these.
It's got like a crackle tune on the
speaker.
on the speaker noise, yeah. Funny thing is, they wouldn't even hear if we flogged it off at the road.
Yeah, they should. So when you're revving it on the hoist, she was like giggling, eh? It's like, he fucking loves them.
It's funny, it sounds crap when you rev it at a standstill.
Yeah.
But then when you go in, it actually sounds better.
Good. Have you seen Have you seen the speakers in the i8s, the
No.
exhaust noise speakers?
No.
It's like a little metal ball with an exhaust pipe off of it with a speaker inside. It actually does sound like an exhaust.
Yeah, right.
But if you remove them, it fucks with the emissions control.
Yeah, right. Fucking Jesus.
Yeah, not bad, eh?
Fucking.
Yeah, I couldn't have all these.
Oh, that's a license killer right away.
And
Oh my
the lights off,
god.
beautiful.
Yep. Alright, we'll go for
Just needed to reset it. That's
yeah.
Dude, you have to get one.
I can't put it to first gear.
Yeah, dude. I love the exhaust.
You should just be able to limit
I love
bash
the fucking
first.
the fit, like where you downshifted, it actually jolted.
Yeah, it actually does feel like a real gearbox.
Yeah.
That's so weird.
That's awesome. Jesus.
Whoa! Cops.
Fast enough for you? Oh,
That-
that's the new highway patrol. I think they can't hear us.
I know, right? Oh my god.
This thing is freaking cool, man. You're gonna have to get one.
I literally would lose my license. Damn it. I like that.
That's cool. Yeah. That's what I mean. I just love that it feels like an actual gearbox.
It does.
It feels like an i30N, but a lot faster.
I've seen all these comments about the new Ferrari, like being EV with like a shifter gearbox and everything. And everyone's like, why would you need to shift gears? It's like,
Because
why
you
not?
don't lose the feel. That's the
Yeah.
whole point.
it's the thing you all complain about the most.
Dude, that's pretty freaking next level.
That is intense speed.
Yeah.
Nah,
Go on.
nah, 'cause I have a great Prado, so they sketch me out of
That's
it.
not
And they have Camrys.
Yeah.
I don't trust anyone.
So if they've got license plate holders or custom plates, they're not cops.
Yeah.
Dude. This thing is so cool.
And this is one mode. We haven't even tried
Anything
launch
else.
control or drift mode.
Shit,
Or...
it's got launch control too, eh?
Yeah.
We're not doing that though.
Oh god, no.
When you get one, we'll play with
Yeah, yeah. It's on my car. Don't. Look, you even got your suspension setting, your steering setting, your power setting.
it. This
What's
thing,
NGB do?
That's the boost, Engine boost.
Oh.
It's even faster. I think it adds like 170 horsepower for 15 seconds.
So that turns the noise on and off.
Yep.
Okay. I mean, you could drive it normally.
Yeah. You just wouldn't.
But
Throwing the boost on when you go around here. Give it a boot. You can feel it.
I stopped breathing.
Wow. Wow. You can really feel that difference.
It turned all the sound off. It was just like, nah, you're just going
Yeah.
now. We're not even going to waste
So
energy
say,
on the speakers.
From what I remember, that's an extra 170 horsepower for 10 seconds.
Fuck. No, it's only like 50 horsepower, but
No, it was even way more than that.
no, it's not. Because it's 600 standard and then
That's right,
640 or 650 full. But it's got the little 10-second timer to say like,
I guess that's to make sure the motors don't even overheat.
yeah, it'll give you a 10-second quarter mile though.
Oh yeah. I wonder what the quarter mile is on this.
Ridiculous.
Because this doesn't like drop They ran 11.1 down the quarter. 11 second flat.
Yeah,
which is
right.
actually, for a factory car, very, very fast.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. For a 210 car as well.
Yeah. There are people with 800 horsepower struggling to get 11s.
Yeah, right. Jerks the shift as well, doesn't it? Jesus Christ.
What a car. What a machine. What a machine.